Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit or customize a new timeline in Expressio. So let's say you created your event, you either chose a blank template or a pre-made template or use your own previous event as a template, but bottom line, you created the event and now you have the basic timeline. It's either empty if you didn't choose a template, or as you can see, I chose a template, so I can I do have a template, so I can customize it. And basically, you'll be redirected to this page, the timeline page. You have a few core features that you can use. Of course, if you want to create a new task completely to appear on the timeline, you can just click add a new task right here. Then you can provide the task name. You can assign it to one of the vendors that are assigned to this specific event. You can choose a date, a time, and a task description. Once you click add, this will automatically edit the new task to the timeline right here. Of course, if you want to edit an existing task, you can just click it and then you can make any changes that you want. For example, I want to make this in bold. I want to say rental item delivery by David. Just for example, I can assign it to a specific vendor. So let's say, for example, Taste It LLC. I can change the time, let's say 6:45. I click update, and when the second I click update, this will automatically update the task right here. So it's very easy to make any changes that you want. Of course, everything is 100% customizable. You can, if you want, you can drag and drop different items, which makes it super easy for you to customize. If you want, you can make bulk edits or bulk deletes. So for example, if I want to push back the entire event by 5 minutes, instead of going through every single one of the items, I can just, select all of the items together or just multiple different items. I want to just do this one, and this one, for example. I can click edit time, select unit by minutes. I can choose 5 and look at the time when I click update. Boom, it will automatically update. A few more things to keep in mind. You probably noticed that you can assign specific vendors or assign specific tasks to different vendors. Let me show you why that is. You can just, for example, let's assign a few random ones. Not that. Of course, you can create new ones or choose from list. Let's assign a few tasks to some vendors. This one is already assigned. Let's do this one. Perfect. Now, when we do have that ready, we can go to roles, and now we will see a dedicated timeline or a dedicated checklist for each single vendor. So under Taste It LLC, I can see this is the vendor that is assigned to this event, and these are all the tasks that are assigned to this specific vendor. So this way I can get a personal checklist or timeline per vendor. If you want to export this as PDF or send it to the specific vendor so they know exactly what they have to do specifically, you can do that within a click of a button. You can do that for the entire timeline as well, of course. So for example, if I completed the timeline and I want to send it as a PDF to the vendors or the venues or the clients or whoever I want, I can just click options. I can either preview, download, or send email as PDF. Let's say, for example, I want to send this to the venue. I just click send email. I put in their email address right here. I can add a note, click send, and in 2 seconds, they get a branded PDF with the entire timeline, my name, my logo, everything to their email. So that, just makes it so much easier for you to communicate with your clients, vendors, and venues. So this is basically what you can do in the timeline. Of course, you can duplicate tasks or different things right here. And of course, you can click here to delete specific items as well. This is some of the main features and the main things you can do using the timeline feature. So you can go ahead and start, exploring by yourself and get to work.